Okay, I'm gonna try and do a tutorial on how to stream to Justin TV using your HDPVR without using CAMTWIST. And if you don't know what CAMTWIST is a program that captures your screen or a portion of your screen and turns that into basically a camera or makes your computer think it's a camera. But it uses a lot of system resources, and older shitty computers like my MacBook. I mean, this is like a 5-year-old MacBook, 2.2 Core 2 Duo, 3 gigabytes, 3, I don't know. It's an odd number of RAM, but whatever. Um, all you need is HDPVR capture, VLC, and JTVLC. I'm going to use Flash Media Encoder to get my Justin.tv streaming key or whatever it's called, but I don't really need that software to run the stream. But first you're going to go and I'm going to show you HD PVR capture. And that's this application here. And you open it up, it should be configured. Right now it's connected to my Wii, and I have you can see it says 720p, 480, 60 frames per second. Select, make sure all your audio input is the right rear jacks, and then you're going to want to, I don't know, I guess you can lower this till I had mine to 7,000, and then I didn't really change any of these settings at all. But then you get to this network tab and you want to uncheck this, or else I suppose you could, I haven't really played around a lot with it, but I guess if you check this, you can check both of them, and you can record whatever's coming out and stream at the same time, but I don't know how well that would work on my shitty computer. So I'll just check one. And this is what streams your HD PVR and allows you to get it into VLC without using CAMTWIST. And you want to enter this address right here. Oh, forgot a dot. Add a little dot. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 is fine, and start your stream. There it goes. The stream's going. We have a liftoff. Okay, but you're gonna minimize that because you don't need it for now. I suppose I could have done that step second, but whatever. I did it first. We're going with it. Then you're gonna want to first open up VLC, and then you're going to want to open network stream and do this. I tried to make a video last time and it didn't work, so this is the moment of truth for me. This doesn't work. Fuck, I'm not making a video. Okay, it worked. So there's your stream. It's up and running. But this is a UDP stream, and in order for JTVLC to recognize it, it needs to be an RTP stream. So we're going to hit stop. Rewind. We got to go into preferences. Click all. I hope I remember this. Go into RTP. Under SDP, you're going to want to put file : / users, your home directory, and then put whatever is easiest. I did my desktop because it's easy to get to your desktop, and then you can see you want to put file name. I use vlc.spd. Do that, and then you want to come down here and make sure this port is not 1, 2, 3, 4. I actually don't know if that matters, but I'd imagine using the same port for both streams probably might cause conflict, so use a different port. Okay, and then you want to go up to transcode. This is where all your settings. A lot of these settings you're going to change when you're setting up the stream, so you don't really need to change them here, but some of these settings aren't you don't get to change when you're setting up the stream, so you have to change them here for them to work. Because basically it uses the values you set when you're setting it up, but the ones you don't set up, it just uses whatever values you have set up in here. So you want to make, I put 25 frames per second, and then video scanning is 5. Now you HDPVR streams a 720p image, or that's what the image you want is a 720p. So you're not gonna want to stream a 720p image to Justin TV because that's too big. It's not gonna like it. Just because it's a high quality stream doesn't mean it's 720. It's just high quality, and I think like I don't know what the resolution is in order for it to be considered high quality, but 720p is way too high. So you want to tone it down. I did 0.5. Maybe you can go a little lower or a little higher. I don't know. I haven't really played around with it that much, but went to 0.5. I didn't really change. I tried to, I mean, maybe some of these settings are changed, but I don't think it really matters because you can set them when you're setting up the stream. And I think that's all we need in settings. So you got that, and then you're going to want to go to File, Streaming Export Wizard, Stream to Network, click Next, and then you're going to want to click UDP, one of these. Then I have 3 of them because I fucked up like 5 times trying to show this. So here's attempt number 4, select Next, RDP, check RDP. This probably won't be filled out, but and then you're gonna enter the what's it called? The loopback address 127001. Next. Then you want to click transcode video. Select the H.264 because that's what Justin TV recognizes, and MPEG-4 because that's what it needs to be. And here's where you can, depending on how fast your computer, I mean, I have a shitty MacBook, so I'm not going to be able to do a high bit rate, but 768 seemed to work fine when I tried it out, so we'll go with that. And then 64 seemed decent. I mean, it all depends on your internet, your computer, what these numbers can be. And then don't really have a choice there, so next. And then check local playback. I like to do that because it'll let you know the stream is running. And so you click next, shows a little page, and then you click finish. And did you see that, how it didn't start right away? And then I had to double click. Well, sometimes you have to do that for it to work. But then you see the vlc.spd file got created, and now you can load that file into JTVLC, and then that'll get your stream up on Justin. And so to do that, you gotta first open Flash. Well, first you want to download your config file from Justin. It's on the page next to where you download Flash Media Encoder. And you're going to want to do File, Open Profile, and then load that file into Flash Media Encoder. And then you're going to get this, your Justin TV key, and you're going to copy that. And you can quit out of this. And then, as you can see, I already was testing Justin TV to make sure it works. And it did, so hopefully it'll work this time for you guys. Okay. And then you're going to want to copy this address as I have it. Just remember to change your home address. And then navigate to wherever you installed JTVLC. I put it on my desktop in a folder right here. Then I extracted it like like you'll see, it'll just be an app, and then I extracted the content so it's in a folder, and then I can navigate it. And you want to navigate to this file right here, JTVLC, and so that's basically this path right here. And then you put your Justin TV username, and then copy that key that you just that's in your clipboard that you copied out of Flash Media Encoder, and then you want to put the directory of where that vlc.spd is on your desktop, or in my case it's on my desktop, and then put semicolon. I don't actually know if you need that, but it works when I run it, so I don't question it. And then you got it running. Please be working. Please. And then we go Justin. And then we type Molestium Falcon. Is that what it was? I don't know, I just made some fake account. Then hopefully I can fast forward through this. And see, there it is. Okay, sorry, Justin. Oh god. Sorry, Justin TV is like going slow as fuck right now, so or my internet's fucking up or something, but here it is. I mean, you can hear that is actually the sound of my Wii coming through Justin, and it's not using CAMTWIST or anything. It's just streaming straight to Justin. So that's how you do it, and hopefully we'll see a lot more streams on Justin with this new method. Thanks. Bye.